Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks, where we test the gear that makes your life better, cooler, and way more fun. Nothing says summer like a backyard pool party. And if you're not quite ready to dig a hole in your yard or blow your entire budget on an in-ground setup, an above-ground pool is the perfect alternative. They're easier to install, more affordable, and still offer tons of fun for families, friends, and weekend warriors alike. We tested dozens of above-ground pools, splashing, swimming, and even volleying across models from Intex, Bestway, and more to figure out which ones are actually worth it in 2025. We looked at ease of setup, durability, filtration performance, and how well they handle real backyard use. So, whether you want a full-size saltwater lap pool or a budget-friendly inflatable that your kids will love, we've got the perfect pick for your summer plans. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another guide. And remember, all the pool links are down in the description if you want to check current prices or order one today. All right, let's cool off and count down the best above-ground pools of 2025, starting with number 7. All right, parents, this one's for you. If you're looking for a fun and safe way to let the little ones cool off this summer without dropping hundreds of dollars on a massive pool, the Bestway Kids Round Pool is the backyard MVP. It's got just the right amount of depth to be splashy and exciting for kids without being overwhelming, so younger children can wade in safely, and even older kids or adults can join in if they're okay with crouching down a bit. But the real kicker here is the built-in canopy. That's right. While other pools leave your kids baking under the midday sun, this one gives you that sweet, sweet shade protection right out of the box. And Bestway didn't stop there. It even has a built-in water mister that attaches directly to your garden hose. It turns your backyard into a mini water park instantly. Sure, a few reviewers said the mister can be a little temperamental, but once it's running, it's a hit. Setup is quick, like under 20 minutes quick. And the steel frame plus heavy-duty liner means you're not just getting a kiddie pool, you're getting a backyard staple that can last you a few seasons. Pro tip, store it during the winter to really extend its life. If your main concern is getting a pool that won't fall apart after one summer, the Bestway Power Steel is the tank of above-ground pools. It's built using Bestway's Tri-Tech 3-layer wall material, which combines 2 layers of durable PVC with a polyester mesh in between. Translation? This pool is tough, like survived 4 summers under falling leaves and wild weather tough. The 18 by 9 foot model is a perfect size for families. It's big enough for a few floaties, a cannonball or two, and some serious pool lounging. You're getting a ladder, a pool cover, and a ChemConnect chlorine dispenser right in the box, which helps maintain clean water without tossing tablets in by hand every other day. During testing, reviewers noted just how easy this pool was to set up. One even mentioned doing it completely solo in an afternoon. The seal and lock pipe system makes sure you don't deal with annoying leaks at the joints, a common headache in other budget pools. This pool is all about long-term value. It's not just good-looking, it's built to take a beating and still keep your summer plans floating along. If you're looking to ditch the chlorine and go saltwater, but still want the size, the strength, and the features of a premium pool, this one's a winner. The Intex Ultra XTR with saltwater system is the Cadillac of backyard pools. It's big enough for an actual party, like 10 adults with floats big. And when it comes to setup, you'll want a buddy and a free afternoon, but the results are absolutely worth it. During our test period, this pool handled storms, wind, and blazing summer sun with 0 structural issues. The only thing we noticed was a little color fading on the liner after months of direct sunlight. Totally cosmetic and pretty expected. Now the saltwater system itself is a game changer. It cuts way down on the chlorine smell and feel, and people with sensitive skin will love it. You will need to grab some pool-grade salt, but once it's up and running, the system is practically maintenance-free. Just top off the salt as needed and enjoy the crystal-clear water. It also comes with a volleyball net. So if you want to keep the kids or your friends entertained, this pool doesn't just sit there. It brings the party. Let's say you're not trying to commit to a year-round setup. You just want something fun, fast, and affordable, but still big enough to make summer unforgettable. Enter the Intex Easy Set. This pool is the definition of user-friendly. All you need is a flat surface, an air pump, and a hose. Inflation takes minutes, and it's ready to fill right after. It includes a pump for filtration, a ladder for safe entry and exit, and both a top cover and a bottom liner. And the depth? A respectable 30 inches, enough for adults to enjoy and kids to splash to their heart's content. This isn't just a kiddie pool with a bigger price tag. It's a quality inflatable that thousands of Amazon reviewers swear by. One family said they used it daily for months and couldn't believe how well it held up. Word of advice: when the season's over, drain it, dry it, and store it indoors to keep it in top shape for next summer. If you're shopping for that perfect middle ground between price, performance, and durability, the Bestway Steel Pro Max is an absolute sleeper hit. This pool has the strong steel frame of more premium options but keeps the price tag in the mid-range, which means it's great for anyone who wants more than an inflatable but isn't ready to splurge on a monster-sized setup. The 15-foot model comes with a filter pump, a ladder, a ground cover, and a pool cover, everything you need to get started. It also comes in a few different sizes, so you can scale up or down depending on your yard space. One feature we really liked was the ease of assembly. The frame clicks together securely, and while you'll want to make sure your ground is as level as possible, the setup process is pretty forgiving. And don't sleep on this. Reviewers said it's tough enough to handle pets jumping up on the sides without any punctures. Now that's some serious durability. At number 1, we've got the absolute king of backyard pools, the Intex Ultra XTR. This pool isn't just a summer accessory, it's an investment in a full-on backyard transformation. With a steel frame that resists rust and wear, plus a rectangular design that offers lap swimming functionality, this is the pool that stays up all year and keeps performing season after season. The 45-inch water depth is perfect, deep enough to feel like a real pool, but shallow enough for all ages to enjoy safely. We love that Intex includes everything you need: the ladder, the cover, the filtration system, and the pump, all in one box. And once it's set up, you're looking at minimal maintenance and maximum enjoyment. Sure, the setup takes a bit of effort. And yes, you'll want to prep the ground properly with a laser level or ground pad. But once it's up, it's there to stay. Online reviewers rave about the strength, the size, and the incredible value. If you're looking to throw the best pool parties on the block, or just want your family to live their best life all summer, this is the one. And there you have it, our picks for the best above-ground pools of 2025. Whether you're planning weekend pool parties or just want a peaceful place to cool off after work, there's something here for every budget and backyard. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the description so you can check prices, specs, and grab yours today. And hey, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Picks for more smart recommendations, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Stay cool, and we'll catch you in the next one.